Hi guys and welcome back to our channel. I'm Ananya and as promised we are back again with more interesting videos, and in today's video we're gonna talk about an application called Dizzy. I hope you must have heard about it, and if not, let me introduce you to it. Well, Dizzy is a renowned alcohol e-commerce platform that allows users to order variety of beer, wines and alcohol-based drinks directly from local retailers to the customer's doorstep. Well, founded in the year 2012, this Boston-based startup was the first on-demand liquor delivery, which is nowadays the most used alcohol delivery application across the globe. Having partnered with more than 4,800 plus retailers including liquor stores, specialty stores and many more, Dizzy is now available to 100 million plus customers in 100 cities across US and Canada. As per the reports, Dizzy has more than 130k plus monthly downloads, and till date, Dizzy has raised over 120 million US dollar funding. That's not the end. Recently, the on-demand industry gained Uber acquired Dizzy with $1 billion US dollars. Well, the success of Dizzy has inspired many entrepreneurs and businessmen who want to start with their own business. But do you know how Dizzy works and how an application like Dizzy makes money? If not, let me help you in this. Focusing on the business model of a unique application like Dizzy, you would be shocked to know that Dizzy neither sells and nor delivers alcohol. Exactly. Dizzy is a platform that is not selling alcohol or directly delivering alcohol. So what does Dizzy exactly do? So here, Dizzy plays very smart. It simply directs all the received orders to its partner store, having their own inventory and delivery partners. So this is very smart to see that Dizzy just serves a tech intermediate between the customer who wants to order the drinks to the retailer who wants to sell those drinks. Therefore, the smart working of an application like Dizzy allows their customer to order their drinks just by using their smartphone or website on few clicks. So now the main question is that why do these retailers get registered under an application like Dizzy? Now, Dizzy being the first on-demand liquor business shop has gathered a lot of publicity. Now, where these retailers who have registered themselves on an application like Dizzy, it has helped them first to reach a wider audience, second, help them to generate a strong customer base, thirdly, help them to increase their sales on a very daily way, and fourth, gave them great brand recognition. Where these people had to get up and travel to their stores, now a person can sit home and through the Dizzy application or website order their drinks and get it delivered on their doorsteps. So the next important question is, how does the application like Dizzy make money? To understand that, let's study the Dizzy revenue model in depth. So the first way where Dizzy earns its money is through licensing fees. Dizzy can charge a licensing fees of $100 to $10,000 depending on the total transaction, volume, store location and the type of liquor sold. Now, the second way through which an application like Dizzy adds on to its revenue is through delivery fees. For most of the orders, Dizzy charges a delivery fees of $5 applicable to each order. However, in certain locations, the delivery is also free. Now, when people are ordering in bulk or continuously ordering, the delivery fees really gets into a big amount, which adds up to the revenue of a model like Dizzy application. Another way how Dizzy adds on to its revenue is through cancellation fees. Now here Dizzy has made a very smart rule of charging cancellation fee if any customer changes his mind. Now Dizzy charges $5 cancellation fee before the delivery guy picks up the order. However, it charges $20 restoring fee if a cancellation is made after the order has left the Dizzy retail store. So the cancellation policy depends on where the order is, and the way it's getting delivered. Another way how Dizzy adds up to its revenue is through advertising fees. Being a single platform that allowed liquor sale online, Dizzy got business from many retail shops. Now, to stand out of the entire lot, these retail shops are ready to pay advertising fees to the application like Dizzy, in return where they make discount banners, offers that are highlighted on the homepage when a customer opens the application. So in this way, the retailers got more business and more sales where Dizzy added up to its revenue. So now, if you are impressed by the overall working business model and revenue model of an application like Dizzy and plan to start something on the similar ground and need technical support, we are there to help you. To contact us for further guidance, tap on the link given in the description section below. And we will be back with more interesting video on the same grounds. Till then, keep bringing new ideas and take care.